Hello people on YouTube and subscribers. This is my wind-up deck profile. I don't know how to use it yet, so don't ask me how. But if you know how, tell me in a PM or a video or whatnot. So let's start with the monsters. 1 rabbit. Don't know if I should put 2. 1 hunter. 3 rats. Then I have 3 sharks. Then 2 of these. And 2 Thunder Kings. 2 guides. 1 bus. And then a Sangan. And then 2 Max Cs. 2 Effect Veilers. Then on for the spells. I have 3 factories. I have 2 Smashing Grounds. 1 Book of Moon. 1 Mind Control. 1 Monster Reborn. 3 gold MSTs. 1 Dark Hole. 1 Pot of Avarice. Staples. And then for the traps, I have 2 Solemn Warnings. I have 2 Fitness Chains. I have 1 Treacher Tribute. And I'm looking for a second one. So if you have one, PM me with your offers. 1 Dimensional Prison. Then from my side deck I have 1 Crow. And then I have 2 Cyber Dragons. I'm not sure what else I should put in my side deck. So that's all I have right now. So PM me with that. Then for the Ixies, I have 3 Carrier Zemanities. Then I have 2 Zamans. I have 1 Leviair. 1 number 17 Leviathan Dragon. Actually no, I'm sorry, 2 of those. Then I have 1 Utopia. 1 Utopia Ray. 1 Zammaster. 1 Wind-up also Zamoa. 1 Tiras Keeper. And then I have 2 Adrius Keepers of Armageddon. So yeah, that's my deck. Let me know what you think about it. And subscribe up here. And peace out, guys. Thanks.